Good evening, everybody. Let us talk about plants today. I'm Siraung Raiping, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Morton College, Imphal East. Let us see what are plants. Plants are autotrophs and mostly multicellular living organisms. When I say autotrophs, those living organisms which can synthesize their own food, they are known as autotrophs. And multicellular, when this living organism is made up of numerous cells, they are known as multicellular organism. Plants are mainly grouped into two: lower plants and higher plants. Lower plants are like algae, fungi, bryophyte, and pteridophyte. Higher plants are like gymnosperm and angiosperm. Let us familiarize the part of a typical angiospermic plant. Angiospermic are those plant which flowers, they are under phanerogames, and let us see the part of that angiospermic, a typical angiospermic plant. Plants which are seen above the grounds, they are known as the shoot. And those plants which are hidden under the ground are known as roots. The shoots may be divided into many more different organs or parts. They are like leaf, stem, nodes, internodes, leaf primota, apical shoot, apical buds, and uh, other things like this small buds. So these are shoots. Plants which are growing beneath the grounds are known as roots. Roots may have taproot or fibrous root type of root according to different types of plant, but here in angiospermic plant we have taproot system, and in taproot we have taproot, lateral root, root hair, root apices, and the tip of the root is what we call root cap. So plants, if you study the section of plant by cutting the section of plant and observe under a microscope, then you see so many compartments in that plant, and that compartment what we call cell. So this section of plant, when you cut the section of plant and observe under a microscope, and that study is what we call as anatomy. The study of plants are called botany, and there are many branches of botany. They are taxonomy, when you study the morphological and classification and all, we call taxonomy. Anatomy, internal structure, physiology, when you study the different physical activities which is happening inside the plants, that is what we call physiology. Genetics, when you study about the inheriting characters of the parents to the offspring, is what we call genetics. And molecular biology, when you study about DNA, RNA, proteins, the expressions, their all the interaction inside of these macromolecules, is what we call molecular biology. And biotechnology, if you use this plant for the welfare of human being, then that is what we call biotechnology. Thank you.